Hey guys, what's up? In this short tutorial I'm going to show you how you can compress video files or video clips in the Shotcut video editor. For example, if you'd like to reduce the final file size to save some space on your device. So let me show you how it's done really quickly. So as you can see, we're here on Shotcut and I have added these 4 video clips to my library. So let's assume I would like to add that one as well, and the remaining 2 also here to my video project by placing them on my video tracks here on my timeline. As you can see, all 4 video clips are together somewhere around 1 minute long. So we can assume that video clip containing all 4 video clips here is going to take some space on my device. And I would like to reduce the file size as much as possible. And there are basically 2 different ways how you can do that, guys. The first one would be to simply choose a very small, if possible, the smallest output file type, which is MP4. To do that, click on Export here, and after that, click on Advanced there, and here we see Format. Simply select MP4 if it's not on default. For example, you will find MP4 here, and the second option, or you can combine both methods, would be to simply reduce the frame rate, the FPS rate or frame per second rate here. It is on 60 FPS on default for me, but you can go down to, I don't know, 30 or 25 or 29.9 to significantly reduce the file size. So let me go to 30. And there you go. Once you're ready, guys, simply click on Export File here, choose your output folder on your device, give your file a name, confirm the file type here again, which is MP4 in this case, and start exporting. And that's basically it. Well, as a bonus tip, you can significantly reduce your file size even more by simply packing your exported video into a zip folder or file. You can do that by using, for example, software such as WinRAR, for instance. So that's basically it. Thanks for watching. Have a fantastic day.